Again, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Bala here, SEBI certified research analyst. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel. If you are any doubts, you can comment on that comment box. If you want to open a trading account with me, just follow the link in description. And if you start trading with me, and you got a more market insights, the live market. Uh, just we move on to that continuation of our previous video. What we are following that Arami, that is bullish Arami. Now we are going to focus that bullish Arami. How we can code in a charting. So using the charting website, we can create a code for a bullish Arami where it is formed. So last video we have seen the bearish Arami. Now we are going to create the bullish Arami, how it forms. So how we can filter out the bullish Arami? So first we go for a cash. First we can code it out the low. So the bullish Arami already we shown that our previous videos. If you want to know about that, just go through my previous videos. Let us a continue. This video is a continuation of my previous video. So if you are not able, if you are not seen my previous video, so this video may be little bit trick to understand. So you just go for my previous videos and you come to this video, you will be getting clear. Now we are going to take the bullish Arami. So what I'm going to take the low of that latest low of latest is greater than, okay, the low of latest low is greater than 1 day ago close, right? So that is what we are going to do here right now. Then we copy it out and latest high, right? The high of the latest is less than 1 day ago open price, right? Yeah, open. Okay, so this is giving you how that next candle inside, right? And then we are going to take that closing, right? The latest close is greater than latest open, right? Latest greater than latest open. I think some, and let's check it out. Let us right or wrong. Greater than, this is gives you the green candle open greater than the close green candle. Try to check it out. Oh, something wrong here. That much of stock. Check any stocks. Orient Carbon, just any stocks. Which one? Let's check it out whether it forms like that. JJ, one financial service. Yes. Which one financial service which forms daily exactly what we are expecting, and again we will check for a JOCIL, OCIL, that is forms Harami. This is looks like Harami cross. Okay, and we'll check out so many stocks. Okay, we are given Welspun Corp, right? Corp. That is also forms Arami at day low. That forms very least price. Market is for that level, so we will follow reversal at lower level, right? That is what we are focusing on, a bearish Arami candle. Sorry, the bullish reversal, the bullish Arami, so which forms here. So now the code is working. Let's change the code for a 15 minutes. So the latest 15 minutes, 15 minutes of latest candle. Yes, we'll go for a 15 minutes of -1 candle, previous candle. Here I go 15 minutes, yes, one candle, yes, yes, one candle. Here 15 minutes of latest candle, latest close. We'll check 15 minutes. Here again 15 minutes. So we are going to focus for a intraday buy opportunity using this candlesticks pattern. Let's follow, and instead of cash market, we will go for a future and we will scan it out whether it is working or not. And finally, we find out Muthoot Finance and Goforce. Let's check it out. Muthoot Finance 15 minutes time frame, right? Yes, it's exactly forming that kind of pattern. The close and low, that is very tight one, and Harami cross is forming right now. And Goforge, for a Goforge, exactly, it forms at a 15 minutes. End of the day, it forms. Let's focus tomorrow. If any stocks, which first of all we will save that. Bullish 15 minutes Harami. Save the scan. Done. And we'll go for a back test. And yesterday, if you find any stocks, that is 6th August around 10 o'clock, and this is what a 9:45. The stock which is forms a Jubilant Food. Let's go for a Jubilant Food. Yesterday forms 15 minutes. The market opens. What where the time exactly is around 9:45. Check that. This is 9:45 candle. The pattern which is forms exactly the same here 9:30 to 9:15. So where we are going to take entry at this point of 3725 with the stop loss below 3706, but it moves well and triggers your stop loss. Again another trade opportunity present here. It is looks like the same is happening, and it breaks that I 37 and 72. So we are going to find out the opportunity where it is present, right? And Jubilant Food, apart from that, what kind of stocks which you find out after 10 o'clock? We got some stock APP, APLLT. Here we'll check the Jubilant Food. Jubilant Food futures. Here it forms Rami shares, right? Yesterday. Futures it forms in a second candle itself, right? The stock which you are going to see APP time around 10 o'clock. So we don't find, yeah, here we find the 10 o'clock, which is 784 one, and high is 786. So it's not forming matching. So we are see the equity. This point 10 o'clock it forms a candlestick pattern where 782 the low, the high for the stock is 786. Where it is broken 782, it made a low of 780 and it was the same level. So using that formula, so we can easily filter out those stocks is ready to move. On daily basis also we can check it out, and 15 minutes. So from Monday on live sessions we are going to use this, find out those stocks which is forming a this kind of candlesticks, right? So that is working good, and we are checking the stock that was great at looking that. So how we can do the scan, that scanner, and it will give you such a great kind of intraday opportunity. Also we are going to focus, and we'll go to check daily basis also. Let's take it daily basis. If any stocks which forms that latest, there you go, test. This is what a daily we are going to take. Test, latest. Check if any stocks which forms a daily basis in future. No stocks were filtered. If you go for a back tested report, check any stocks. If you check recently on 5th August, we form a stock, any stock, Goforce PI. Let's check it out. daily chart. Yes, exactly, which forms a big candle and followed by a bullish engulfing. But what happened? This stock is moving upwards. So when you find out this kind of pattern at the lowest level, there is a even more powerful. So the reversal we are expecting using candle, we are going to expect, we are expecting trend reversal, right? So when it is forms at day low, so lowest level, so even more powerful. But we'll check it out. The reversal we are expecting for a bullish reversal. But whenever it moves above that 3300 with a stop loss of 3100, stock which is second one is Coforge. That is also forms Aramid cross at let's see, that looks like that, but it forms yesterday Aramid cross, day before yesterday. We'll check with the Coforge there. How it is formed. It is not looks great, but yesterday, day before yesterday, it forms a Aramid cross. I will sorry, checking for the date 5/8, not yesterday. We are going to focus on 5/8. 8. This is the day. So Aramid cross which forms. Okay. It's happened by 8th, 5th of the month, right? So the previous day, the same. It is exactly working. So using this one, so I'm going to plan a trade for a Monday onwards. If you are new, kindly subscribe and join my live session on Monday. Let's play with this game. How we are going to make a profit. Let's see. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time. If you like this video, you hit the like button. If you have any other questions, just comment on this comment box. If you are new, kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you.